Today I would like to talk about the importance of replacing filter on time. 85% of water purifiers filtration depends on the activated carbon in the filter. A magnified view of the activated carbon inside the filter shows there are many narrow tunnel-like pores inside. As water is being filtered, all the impurities dissolved in the water are absorbed and trapped in these tunnel-like pores throughout the activated carbon. As the water purifier is being used over time, pores of activated carbon become full of dirty and harmful sediments. Then the filter's filtration function decreases and the water flows through without being filtered. If this continues, you end up drinking the original contaminated or impure water that you want to purify. Replacing filters on time also applies to chemical air purifier. A brand new filter is clean and white, as you can see here. Chemical air filter not only removes large dust particles or the particles and pet hair, given its HEPA grade. It also filters cigarette smoke and VOCs. As it is used time, these high efficiency HEPA filters begins to lose its efficiency as all the contaminated airborne particles are trapped in the filter. This is the filter, looks like after being used for quite some time. Fresh clean air cannot be expected with an overused filter, and it must be replaced. I hope now you understand the importance of replacing filters on time.